everyone, welcome to our virtual classroom. Today we will be heading to the art studio. Today's technique is called nail polish water marbling. The mug you see to the left of the canvas was painted using this technique. The vase you see with the tiny flickering light was also painted using this technique. You will see them up close a little bit later on in the video. The canvas that you see is actually a close-up of the design that's on the mug. Okay, let's head on to class. But before we do, there's one more thing I have to show you. Our art studio sure is growing. We're going to need another wall. And our client superhero gallery is also growing with our latest addition from Bernie Giardi. I think we're going to need a lot more walls in here. And now on to our class. Hi everyone. Today we are going to create another abstract kind of watercolor. It's called marble watercoloring, and we're going to be using nail polish. Now, if this is as simple as they showed in the video, we should be done in under 5 minutes. So the first nail polish I'm going to use is kind of a dark blue, and all we're going to do is open it and pour some into the water. I hope you can see that. Okay, make little swirls in there. Just let it pour in. Okay. The next bottle we're going to open is kind of a greenish aqua color. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to pour it in, but this time we're going to go in reverse. That one was in circles. This was going to be in little, kind of little lines, like Zorro, like little Zorro lines. Okay, and our third color is somewhere between the dark blue and the light blue. So this is going to be marbling in shades of blue. Again with the ocean. Okay. So this one we're going to do the other way. We went sideways, we went up and down. And the reason they said to do this is because they want you to get a nice mix of colors when you finally dip in your project. So if you don't like the way it looks, you can take a paintbrush, and I hope you can see this. You can just pull it in the direction that you'd like, very, very gently. You see how it attaches to this? You don't want to do that too hard because then you'll get clumps. So on this side we have more of the aqua, in the middle we have more of the blue. Here's a little clump, and I did that by dipping it in. See, we want to get those out. And there we go. Okay. So now this is going to be our project. We're going to take this mug right here, and I'm almost afraid to use one this big in case I mess up, but here we go. So you dip it into the water and you swirl it, and then you take it out. So let's do that. It doesn't matter what comes out because it's abstract. Again. Okay. I'm going to hold it through here so I can dip this end in a little bit. Okay. Now, what we've got here is, let's see if I get it closer to you, is the design that was created with the nail polish and the water. Now it's going to take 2 hours for this to dry. So I'm going to set it aside, and I'll be right back so we can do another one. And then when this is done, I'll give you a picture of it. Okay, that was pretty fast, huh? All right, so let's try another one. This one we're going to do a lot lighter because the first one we did was pretty saturated with the nail polish. This one's going to go on clear glass, so we're going to do a much softer design. Okay, and maybe we'll use just the lighter green, and the aqua, which is this one. Okay, make sure you guys can see here. See how simple that was? This is one of those projects that I think we're going to be doing a lot because it's simple for everyone and it's fun. So we're going to take this container, which by the way, the container that I used before, Dollar Tree. This container, Dollar Tree. That way if I mess it up, it won't be too bad. I'm just going to dip it in there. I'm going to turn it once, twice, bring it back up. And it's hard to see because it's clear, but it almost looks like sea glass. You can put some seashells in there, you can put some white rocks, it'll look beautiful. It's hard for you to see because I have the green behind it. Let me see if I put quickly a piece of paper towel in there, you can see it better. There you go. See the colors a little bit better? And we can also dip it again when this is dry. It takes 2 hours for this to dry.